Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm going to be explaining and demonstrating all the products on Olaplex's line besides number 1 and 2 because those are for professional use only. So I'll be talking about every other product and then demonstrating it on my type 3 hair, 3B, 3C hair. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve these curls to bounce their bouncy state and how hair feels stronger, and you want some tips, just keep on watching because I love Olaplex so much. It has restored my hair from so much damage such as bleach and from heat damage, and so I'm super excited to be talking to y'all about it because this is one of my favorite brands. And so yeah, okay, so let's get into some information about Olaplex. It will repair your hair from any damaged state that it's currently in, such as thermal factors like ironers, curling irons, blow dryers and such, as well as chemical damage such as bleaching, coloring, perms, and keratin treatments. And it also helps repair from UV damage, extremely cold weather, extremely hot weather. So yes, it repairs your hair from whatever state it is currently in. So Olaplex is literally like the holy grail in repairing damaged hair. So you see so many men and women's testimonies on Olaplex and how it's repaired their hair so much. So if you're really hesitant on buying it, just go ahead and step your foot into that water, try it, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed when you try Olaplex's product. And your hair will never be the same once you start using Olaplex. So now let's get into applying the products to my hair. So the first product that I'm going in with is number 0. So when you use this one and number 3 together, it's 68% more repair and 3 times stronger your hair will become after using both. So you can use this once a week or 2 to 3 times a week depending on how damaged your hair is. So this currently right now is $28. It's in a special edition box right now with this and a smaller version of Olaplex number 3, and so I don't know how long that's gonna last, but for right now you can get a small size of number 3 and this one for only $28 from Olaplex.com as well as Sephora. So you want to apply this to dry hair and you want to start from roots to end, and you want to make sure your hair is fully saturated. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair because it's much easier because I do have thicker hair. And so yeah, okay, so I got my section, and like I said, I'm going to start from roots to end, and you make sure you want to fully saturate your hair. Okay, so now I finished fully saturating my hair. I'm gonna let this sit on for just 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and apply Olaplex number 3. Okay guys, so I'm back after I let Olaplex number 0 sit in my hair for 10 minutes without washing out, and now I'm going in with Olaplex number 3. Olaplex number 3 is what made Olaplex famous. This hair perfector is amazing. This is like one of my holy grail products that I have to use every week. Like, this is like a staple in my routine and I'm never taking it out. This is amazing. Like I said, if you've never tried any products from Olaplex, try this one. And when you use it the first time, you will see visible change to your hair. And I promise you, you will not go back to not using Olaplex anymore. Okay, so I do want to say this. I have seen videos of people saying this is a protein treatment. That is not true at all. This is not a conditioner either. This is a strictly 100% a bond builder, and there is a difference from a protein treatment and a bond builder. A lot of people will stray away from products that have protein in it, and so I just wanted to say that this is not a protein treatment, and this is for all hair types. So like I said, bond builder, not protein treatment. So about number 3, this is 100 milliliters and it's for $28 at Olaplex.com as well as Sephora as well, and this lasts you about 3 to 4 uses. I use it once a week since I wash my hair once a week, and more damaged hair and you use it more than once a week or twice a week, you will find yourself buying more, but that's totally fine because your hair will thank you after you do it. So number 3 will restore your hair's healthy appearance and protecting the hair's structure. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair, and just like number 0, you want to apply it to from roots to end, and you want to put a generous amount. If your hair dried up a little bit, you can add a little bit of water if you would like to, but you do not have to. It's just a tip. And also I want to mention, this has amazing slip. You will see once I apply it to my hair. Using just about this much first to start off, and then I'll apply more. So you can see the tangles are like coming right out. I don't have to sit there and like detangle a lot, so that's a good thing. You always love a product with good slip. See how it's just kind of running through my hair? I do have a little bit of tangles. And I'll make sure I'm evenly distributing it through my hair. Okay, so now I am putting my hair up, and you can let it sit on your hair from 10 to about 30 minutes, or you can sit on for longer if you want. A tip, you can also sit under a hair dryer. I don't have a hair dryer with me, so I'm gonna dry my hair about 20-ish or so minutes, and then I am going to shampoo and condition. Okay guys, so it's been about 20-ish so minutes, and now I'm going to go on with the shampoo and the conditioner. So first I'm starting off with the shampoo, Olaplex number 4, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Repairs and strengthens and hydrates for all hair types. Now this is 250 milliliters and it's for $28 as well. But they do have a smaller version for 100 milliliters, the size of the Olaplex number 3. Here, I'll show you. So they have one for this size for $14 at Olaplex.com as well as Sephora. But for this shampoo, a little goes a long way. Number 4 repairs your hair from everyday stresses, including damaged hair, split ends, as well as frizz, by relinking the bonds in your hair. This leaves your hair easier to manage, shinier, and healthier with each use. Number 4 is color safe, and it is proven to reduce breakage in your hair as well as strengthen for all hair types. So all of Olaplex's products are sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, as well as gluten free, and vegan, it's cruelty free, it's color safe, balances the pH levels in your hair, and it is nut free as well. So my first thought when I started to put the shampoo in my hair, it lathers really well. Little does go a long way, as you'll see. When I'm shampooing my hair, it lathers really well, and it feels like it's cleaning my hair really well, not stripping at all. It also has a really nice smell. All of their products smell really nice. It's like a fresh scent. I don't know, it's hard to explain the scent, but it smells really good. So all in all, I love the shampoo. It wasn't too stripping of my hair, and yeah. Now I'm following up with Olaplex number 5, Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. Well, this 250 milliliters is for $28 at Olaplex and Sephora, and they do have a smaller one for $14 as well. So number 5 is a highly moisturizing reparative conditioner for all hair types. So it leaves your hair easier to manage, shinier, and healthier after each use. It protects and restores damaged hair, split ends, and frizz by relinking the bonds in your hair. It will strengthen your hair and leave your hair stronger than ever. So my first thought after putting this in my hair, it has amazing slip. It tangled my hair too much, so that was already nice. And the brush just glides through my hair. That was amazing, and that's what you pretty much look for in a product. So like I said, for girls with curly hair, I know we love products with amazing slip. It just makes it easier for us to comb through our hair, and a good smelling product doesn't hurt as well. I love this product, It's amazing conditioner. I really enjoyed using this product. That's why I love the products even more. Every one of their products is geared to restoring your hair. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Okay guys, so I'm back after I quickly washed out number 4 and number 5 from my hair. Okay, so now it is time to move on to number 6, the Bond Smoother. This is a leave-in reparative styling cream, reduces frizz, nourishes, and protects. It's a highly concentrated smoothing cream. This is also for $28 as well at Olaplex.com as well as Sephora. It is 100 milliliters. So number 6, strengthens, moisturizes, and speeds up blow drying times. So it's great for all hair types such as colored and chemically treated hair. It also eliminates frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. So you want to use this after each wash. So when you apply this, you want to apply this to mid-length to the ends, and you can blow dry or you can air dry. I'm actually going to diffuse after I use this. So like I said, I'm gonna add this in, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of gel to help with the hold. So let's get into number 6. So I am gonna re-wet my hair a little bit because it did get drier than I would like it. So I'm just gonna re-wet my hair. I'm gonna first apply it throughout my hair, and then I'm gonna section it off. Using a lot at first, just a little bit. Don't need up too much because it is highly concentrated. Sure, I evenly distribute it. Try to get my ends too, because your ends need the most love because it's the oldest part of your hair. So now I'm just gonna brush through it. Okay, so I just finished putting number 6 in my hair along with a little bit of gel, and now I'm gonna let it air dry just for a little while, and then I'm gonna diffuse it and come back and show you all how it looks at the very end. Okay, so now after I diffuse my hair, I'm going to just pick it out just a little bit to get a little bit more volume. And now I'm following up with the last product, number 7, bonding oil. This is also $28 at Olaplex.com as well as Sephora. It's a highly concentrated weightless reparative styling oil, so you don't need that much of it because it is highly concentrated. It dramatically increases strength, shine, softness, and color vibrancy. It also minimizes frizz and flyaways. So now I'm just gonna apply some oil. So you can see that gave me a little bit more volume. Also gave me some shine. And I am loving the finished look. My wash and go came out really well after using all the products. My hair is bouncy. It has some shine, not a lot of frizz, and it's back to its bouncy curly state. And I couldn't be any happier. Like, using all the products, they're all amazing. I have nothing but great things to say. They're all a 10 out of 10 for me, and this is my first time using every single product besides number 1 and 2, and they're amazing. Thank you so much, Olaplex, for making such amazing products. If you guys enjoyed how I got this look and how I explained and showed all the products in Olaplex's line, don't forget to give a thumbs up. I will be putting out more videos. I'm going to be uploading my September favorites, so hair care, skincare products that I liked in September, I will be dropping within a few days, so keep an eye out for that. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see when I upload it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.